Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making the microwave vanilla mug cake. First, let's look at the ingredients. We have 1 tablespoon of sugar, or 15 grams, 3 tablespoons of flour, or 30 grams, with 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. We've got 1 tablespoon of butter, or 15 grams. We've got 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We've also got 2 tablespoons of milk. This is optional, but I've got some sprinkles as well. Let's get started. So first we need to add our butter and vanilla extract. Then we're going to add in our milk. We now have to put this in the microwave for 20 seconds to melt the butter and warm up the milk. Now we're going to add in our sugar. And mix it. Now we're going to add in our flour and baking powder. Mix this well. After making sure that there's no lumps in it, this part's optional, but you can add in some sprinkles if you'd like. Now we're going to put this in the microwave for 1 minute. All microwaves are different, so the time will hover around 1 minute to 1 minute and 15 seconds. Once the time's finished, you're going to have to test it with a toothpick or a cake tester. If it comes out clean, then your cake is done. If it comes out covered in batter, that means that it needs to go in for around 10 seconds more. time to test it. This is what your toothpick should look like for it to be done. Let it cool before adding any toppings such as buttercream or Nutella. I'm going to be using whipped cream. And some sprinkles. And there you have it, a vanilla microwave mug cake. If you're new, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we post new videos. Bye. Thanks for watching.